How to make invisible name on TikTok. So if you want to make invisible name on your TikTok, then first you need to open up your Google or your browser, and here you need to search for blank character. Once you search for a blank character, you need to just simply go with any option that you are comfortable with. Like I'll go with the first one. Now here you will have your blank character or the invisible space, right? So you need to copy this. Tap on copy. Once you've copied, you need to open up your TikTok, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on edit under your name and tap on the name, and here you need to paste that blank space. After that, go with save, which is on the top right, tap on confirm, and your name will be changed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.